How to add your signature to iPhone so you can sign any digitalized document without signing again and again. Open a document or a web page. Take a screenshot by pressing the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Tap the screenshot. Press the plus button and tap Signature. Here you will draw your signature. You can label the signature by pressing the down arrow up top. After you are finished, tap Done to save your signature. If you want to add another signature, just go to the Signature button and tap Add or Remove Signature. Tap the plus button and draw your signature. Once finished, tap Done. Just like that. I hope this helps you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll see you in the next video.